It's given me a new perspective. I've learned a lot.
I'm really seeing and feeling how these emerging technologies really are no longer emerging.
It's inspired me, specific solutions that I could apply today, but then also items that kind of will help us further down the roadmap.
It's been validating to meet new manufacturers that are faced with some of the same challenges that we are.
I've already texted some of my colleagues and to say, I've met this person, I think we should meet with this person, and we're going to have some follow-up conversations.
I'm just excited to take the learnings from these new relationships that I have and be able to drive some value in our business.
The roundtables were wonderful. People can give their input on how they solve that problem, which someone could then say, I could do X, Y, or Z.
The content has been very relevant. You know, we look at some of the disruptive technologies, again, such as AI, and what I can learn from other businesses. You know, how do they apply the technology? So this is where the summit has been very, very useful.
Learning what is at the top of everybody's mind in terms of what those challenges are helps us build a strategy for our institute.
When you talk to different leaders in different roles, you get to experience different verticals and industries and supply chain and manufacturing.
We certainly have learned some things that we could implement and built some potential networks, right? By having the meetings, by actually sitting down and talking to people.
It's been really exciting, and I look forward to building relationships with those vendors in the future.
We all are going through the same pain points and challenges. That's what I'm taking away from this, is to go back and press the organization to really put that strategic roadmap piece together and what our plan is to move forward.
You learn so much. You know, that's what I really love about these events, is that you get to hopefully teach something to someone, but also learn from someone, and together, you know, we're stronger. So it's been a great event.